Now that you've finished your My 3 Favorite Foods app, you can make it better. You can, for example, explain why you like the foods you chose. So I'm going to use a text area here instead of a label, because I want to write more text. And I can write, I like lasagna because it has pasta and meat and cheese, and I love them. And I can come here and I can put read only, so people can click here and change this text. Okay, so I made it better. I can also change the background so it has a color that's more similar to my lasagna. I can use like a beige here. Let me see if I can find a good color. Okay, this is good. So now I have an explanation here. So if I run it now, it has the explanation, and I'm going to click next. I also think that this one here is not very good. The image here doesn't look very good. So I'm going to start again. I'm going to go to screen 2, and I'm going to change this image instead of cover to contain. And it's going to have this. Also, options are fill, which is going to distort the image. That's not what I want. So I'm going to use contain. And I can put the text beside the image instead of on the bottom of it. So it's a little bit different. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to write, this is great because it is sweet and it is something I get on my birthday, which I love. And now I'm going to change the background color too, to a little darker. Yes, but look, my text now, it's impossible to read, so I'm going to choose the color of my text to white, so it shows on the page. Much better. I can change the color of the button too. I'm going to make it red. I think it's going to look good. So now it looks like this. Let's change the color of this one too. The first one, I'm going to make it brown. So if you try to use the same colors in the page, it's going to look better, because it's going to look like it's more professional. If you use the same colors of the picture in your background and your buttons, it's going to look a lot better. See, it looks better. All right, so the last one is the barbecue. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to move this to the center. I can also center the text using this tool. Okay. So I'm going to change this to black, I think. Looks better. I'm going to change the background to like orange. Looks good. And I'm going to put the text on beneath it. So I'm going to say, barbecues are great with the family. I love celebrating with the ones I love. So now it's better. I have the first screen, the second screen, the last screen.